What's going on, folks? I want to make this video to show you what could be going on with your Chevy Malibu. It could be the same for multiple different years, but say you keep on losing antifreeze out of your vehicle. And if you're wondering where it's coming from, it could be, if it's dripping on your passenger side, kind of in the front, then that's where your water pump as well as your thermostat is at, which could have an issue. If you see it dripping from your driver's side up underneath there, it could be your radiator hose, which is what this is right here. And if not that, it could be this T right here. But if you look down, right down here, there's a T piece that's right there. I don't know if you can see it. Right there, there's like a T right there, which is what this is right here. It's a connector that this piece right here runs up to your radiator reserve. Then the other two pieces go side to side on there. So if you're having a problem with your fluid coming out of your vehicle, you may want to check right here just in case this T right here is bad. This can go bad and break all up. All right. Please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.